The journey begins with the PCB design. Specialized software such as Proteus are used to create the layout of the circuit. This design includes copper traces, component placements, and other critical details. Once the design is ready, it's exported in a format that manufacturers can work with. The most common format is the extended Gerber, also known as X-7 for X. These Gerber files contain essential information about copper layers, drill holes, apertures, and more. The basic structure of a PCB starts with a copper board. This board consists of an epoxy resin and glass fiber core, which acts as the substrate. The laminate provides a sturdy foundation for the copper traces that will form the circuit pathways on the PCB. After the artwork is transferred, the PCB goes through a brushing machine. This step removes any excess copper particles or debris from the surface. A clean surface ensures better adhesion during subsequent processes. The photoresist film is applied to the PCB. It's a light-sensitive material that covers the copper surface. The film protects certain areas from the next step, which is UV exposure when undergo the laminator machine. The PCB is exposed to UV light through a mask. The mask corresponds to the desired circuit pattern. The UV light hardens the exposed areas of the photoresist film, creating a protective layer. Then, the developer machine removes the unexposed photoresist. It washes away the soft, unhardened areas, leaving behind the circuit pattern. The ROTA spray developer is commonly used for this purpose. In this step, the PCB moves through a conveyor spray developer or etcher. The etcher removes the unprotected copper. The remaining copper forms the conductive traces that connect components. The hardened photoresist that protected the copper traces during etching is now removed using a photoresist stripper. This reveals the final copper pattern. Holes are drilled into the PCB for component mounting. These holes allow electrical connections between different layers. Finally, the last step is where the components like resistors, capacitors, and integrated circuits are soldered onto the PCB to complete the assembly.